In 2026, many people feel overwhelmed by AI tools. ChatGPT, Copilot, Gemini, Claude, Perplexity, DeepSeek, Canva AI, Power Automate, N8N. The list keeps growing. But here is the good news. You do not need to learn everything. The better way is to understand the categories. Most AI tools fit into a few groups: AI assistants, workplace copilots, AI search, content AI, automation tools, and agent platforms. Once you understand the category, choosing the right tool becomes easier. General AI assistants are tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and DeepSeek. These are useful for thinking, writing, summarizing, explaining, coding help, brainstorming, and analyzing information. They are flexible, so they are often the first AI tools people try. Workplace copilots are AI tools built into the apps you already use. For example, Microsoft Copilot works across Microsoft 365, while Gemini can support Google Workspace. These tools are useful because they sit close to your email, documents, meetings, slides, and spreadsheets. AI search tools are useful when you need to research a topic quickly. Tools like Perplexity, ChatGPT Search, or Gemini can help you discover sources, compare information, and summarize findings. But remember, you still need to verify important facts. Content AI tools help with communication and marketing. Canva AI and other image, video, and audio tools can support posters, social media content, campaign ideas, scripts, and simple visuals. These are especially useful for SMEs, marketers, trainers, and content creators. Automation tools are for repeated work. Tools like Power Automate, N8N, Zapier, and Make help connect apps together. For example, a form submission can trigger an email, update a spreadsheet, and notify a team member automatically. Agent platforms are the next level. These are systems where AI can plan, connect to tools, and take actions with certain controls. This is powerful, but it also needs more care, because the AI may be able to change data, send messages, or trigger workflows. So do not start by asking, which tool is best? Start by asking, what am I trying to do? Writing may need an AI assistant. Office work may need a copilot. Research may need AI search. Repeated processes may need automation. Multi-step work may involve agents. Learn the category before the tool. Free videos help you understand. Hands-on classes help you apply. Visit the aihq.net/shop to choose the learning path that fits your work and your current level.